Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can play music on your iPhone to the car system on the Toyota CHR 2023. So before you can play music, you need to connect the device to your car. So first, press on the menu button on the car here to go back to the menu screen. Then tap on Setup. Next, tap on Bluetooth. And then tap on Add or register Bluetooth or register device. Then tap on Add. Here on the iPhone, I'm going to open up Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Bluetooth. And make sure you turn on Bluetooth. Once it is turned on your car, tap on iPhone. Tap on the name of your iPhone. And on the iPhone, tap on the Pair button. Then tap on Allow. And now wait for your phone to connect to the car. Once you see it's connected, then we can proceed. So you can see as soon as it is connected, it's trying to play a song. So we go back to menu. Now tap on audio. In here say now playing, so it's playing a song right now. So it's playing, but it's got no sound. So I'm going to my device and open up my music player. And here I'm going to press on the play button. Now if you do not hear sounds, then double check on your device to make sure you press on the volume button. Make sure there are sound. If you don't increase the sound volume, then you may not hear the sound. Here, so audio. And you can view the song list. So we've got the song list. You can browse for music. So once it is connected, it should be easy. You can customize your song list. You can browse for music, and you can hit the play now button. And from here, you can set the repeat and random. You can go back to the previous song or go to the next song. And that's it. And you can use the tracker to move forward or backward on the songs. So you can't drag on here, so you need to do it from your iPhone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.